Hey everybody, you've been working hard all year long. For all you do, this club's for you. Come let SeaTac show you how to vacation bigger, better, more often for less money. All service agents are standing by. It takes about 15 minutes to learn how to vacation the way you really want to for the rest of your life. Stay in 5-star rated resorts for prices as low as $50 a night. Thank you. God bless.
CE Travelers Advantage Club wants to make your travel planning as easy as 1, 2, 3. When visiting our website, just click on Book a Trip, fill out the request form, then click Submit and you are on your way. One of our representatives will be in touch with you within 24 hours with an update. If you're looking for a last-minute special, click our Hot Deals page. Here we feature resort locations that are available to book on the spot. We want to make packing your bags the hardest part. We look forward to booking your next vacation.